Alright, so here I am on a Saturday afternoon on the Kapper farm, and I come out, for a refill because I'm working on a video, and I see something in the oven. The fan blower is going here, and this is what I see. So I'm wondering, for you guys out there, do your wives ever do anything like this? Look at this. That's right, that's a log. Looks to be like a sassafras log. So I'm in here, I'm thinking she had a nice meatloaf or something in there for dinner, and she's got a log in there. So am I the only one that has a wife that kind of does weird stuff every now and then? There's never a dull moment on the Kapper farm. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.